Well, welcome to Barbon, July 26. What a lovely day. Absolutely superb paddock. Everybody got on great as always. Just proper grassroots motorsport. Now, if you're thinking of getting involved, there's a proper array of cars there. If it's got an engine and four wheels, there's a class for you. We've got standard road car classes to modified classes. You'll see these coming up on screen now. You can run literally a standard road car just with some very basic safety features. Personal or PPE or overalls, helmet, gloves are required, but there's loads of different classes. If you've got an engine swap, you will go into one of the higher classes with more safety features, but by and large there's a class for you. It's a fantastic day, and coming up are some in-car footage of me, a couple of little videos that the missus took, and then unfortunately my fastest time of the day, which was the last one, my GoPro ran out, so that's the one that I don't have, but there's a bit of footage there for you to enjoy, and we'll be back in June next year. Hopefully it's dry again. I was trying to tell you here, but obviously the microphone's crap on the GoPro, that I was trying to get under 30 seconds, and that first practice of 30-42, it was going to be a bit of a struggle, so I'd just increased my ignition time in a tad, just to give me a little bit more. all in all, another absolutely cracking event, and unfortunately Emma trashed a flywheel pulley, so we transported it back ready for collection, but we will be back next year with a vengeance.